Aliyah, come on, home time. Drag her, Elise.
She hit the ice cream.
Get some food.
See you, darling. See ya. She's so bad. Where is she? Oh.
Still not going to move.
No.
Salam alaikum. Yeah, hi dear.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Yeah, hi dear.
Do the drag thing on.
Drag her.
When the camera rolls.
Take the towel off her though. Take the towel off when you drag her. Take the towel off. She's probably going to get up when...
Just drag her off the bed.
She's so lazy. Oh. Keep going.
Oh. Your brother, you'll have to get up. Jump on her, Go. Okay.
Now get up.
Get up.